Hey all, this is Pawan from Smuves. If your team manages content in HubSpot like bulk edits, content audits, and CMS migration, you know how painful it gets at scale. Most of the teams are doing it manually. Spreadsheets, custom scripts, and lots of engineering hours just to move content around. That is a problem Smuves solves. Smuves is a content engineering platform built for HubSpot CMS teams. It does three things very well. First, bulk editing. It updates content across hundreds or thousands of your HubSpot pages all at once. No coding, no exports, no manual work. Second, content audit. If you want to understand full picture of your HubSpot CMS, what is active, what is outdated, or what needs to be fixed, everything can be done via Smuves. Third, CMS migration. If you are planning for a migration from HubSpot to a headless CMS like Content Stack, or from a HubSpot from one portal to the other portal, Smuves handles it all. From content types, from field mapping and transformation rules, everything will be taken care of Smuves. We have worked with some global companies for complex serious migrations. Thousands of content entries, multiple languages, multiple content types. All moved cleanly without months of serious back and forth. To understand what Smuves does, just sign up on smuves.com. Thank you.